My name's Jane. I coordinate the Repair Cafe in Newcastle Emlyn, and we started just over a year or so ago, and we've been really absolutely delighted with the response that we've had from this community. People really appreciate the fact that they can bring along their items that aren't working because they don't know where else to take them.
My name is Brian Jones, and I'm originally trained as an electrician, and I've worked in electronics all over, and so I'm just sharing my knowledge with people and I like fixing things. So that's why I come here. It's fun.
Hi, I'm Wendy. I thought I'd come with my needle and thread and various bits and pieces to fix things, material things, or repair a lot of bags. I can do a bit of leather work, so zips, darning.
Well, I'm Pete. I'm repairing bikes, and I'm repairing bikes because it's a fantastic form of transport, and also it's important to repair things because we're actually drowning in rubbish. And if you can make a repair, make it last longer, you obviously help the planet. So it might work.
Okay, we'll give it a go. Thank you very much.
Helo, fy enw yw Caris, hyn yw Logan, a tro cyntaf yn y Repair Cafe. Concept yn really good, amount o sbwriel sydd fewn. So yeah, mynd I dod tro nesau gyda a few bits.
This kettle will only start intermittently. You have to fiddle around with it to get it started.
Dwi nawr yn mynd I fynd ag draw a pobl draw yn y cornel fyna, gobeithio bydd nhw'n gallu cael ei cael ei datrys I bod e'n gallu that is able to make a cup of tea, and then hopefully it won't be intermittent.
I am a tea man, you're right.
Yeah.
I'm Liz Parker. The reason I am helping out at Repair Cafe is because I strongly believe in protecting our environment. And Repair Cafe means we can limit the impact of industrial manufacture by repairing, reconditioning and reusing the things that we need to live our lives. I specialise in knife and tool sharpening, leather work, and also kind of light repairs for woodwork or metal.
What we find is that we have a really diverse cross-section of the community coming here, which is really fantastic. We find, though, that in order to get that and to keep that going, we need to work quite hard at putting up posters, at talking to people, and we have a Facebook page. We make sure that the top page always has the date of the next Repair Cafe. About a week before the Repair Cafe, when I know exactly who's coming, I will always post on there the types of repairs that we can underdo. But you can take it, we have 4 or 5 electricians involved in it, so you can safely bring along something like that. You can safely bring along something for sharpening. You can safely bring along any sort of like needlework type repairs, woodwork, light metal, that type of thing.
I've had it 14 years and it's always worked, but then it started going slow and now it's not turning at all. I tried it out.
Tell you what is the belt is stretched. Actually, no belt on it at all. Right.
And the other thing is that we've shown people how to do simple things like sew on buttons. So we're actually trying to skill people up to do it for themselves. It's all simple stuff, really.
Wedi rhoi go.
Better. Wedi dysgu Cymraeg ers 40 blwyddyn. Blynedd. Rhywbeth fel yna. Wedi byw yma ers hynny. A mae'n blanti wedi tyfu lan, siarad Cymraeg. Mae'n hyn rhedeg, 3 ohonyn nhw.
Yn Llandysel o'n yn ysgol neu yn?
Y ddwy lan, ysgol y ddwy lan, a wedyn Gymunedol Emlyn.
Jamie's a leather worker. She's repaired a dog lead for me the other day, and a very old 1900 music manuscript bag that was my grandfather's. It needed some stitching and she got that fixed for me. It's really good.
I've just managed to
mend a lovely old Bose radio cassette player. It's 25 years old and had been discarded into a shed not working, and so now it's all working perfectly and will no longer be making a journey to the landfill. So that's the important thing about the cafe. We try to mend things and make sure they don't get thrown away.
What the Repair Cafe is also about, Welsh Government are involved in funding a certain level of the Repair Cafe, the organisational level. They are very active within the international campaign for the right to repair. So we collect information on the things that we've had in. So for instance, someone might come in with an electrical item, and when they look at it and they take it apart, actually you can't get at the bits. So that is beyond repair, and that's disgusting. That should be illegal nowadays. Manufacturers should have to be creating items that we can fix and be responsible for, supplying parts ongoing.